I said elsewhere, the life and death comes together like a pair. Like if you look at the hair, the old one dies and get gray, but the new one may grow. And all the configuration of what we got, whole cells may be replaced every, I don't know, 1 month or 3 months, whatever the case is. So we are keep dying and living. So conceptually, I was talking about our ego has to die for us to be enlightened. It could happen a mini enlightenment in certain small area. Could be happening for the whole ego to be gone, like the case of Saichi Myokoni. He talked about death of himself, meaning his ego. And then he's happy to be replaced by the Amidazu